kid, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding.
I have a Kia Optima here. This one got tagged down low in the back, destroyed the rear body panel here, and wadded up the trunk floor. It's kind of hard to see the trunk floor inside of here. This one is gonna get a new back panel, and I'm gonna repair the trunk floor, and I'm gonna make some pulls, and I wanna pull all this damage out and use the rear body panel to the bad damaged one to pull the damage out before I actually cut it off, and that'll help walk that trunk floor out, and then I'll cut the back panel off, and then I'll be able to finish working the trunk floor after that. So being this panel is junk, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna drill a hole, and I'm gonna put a plate on the back side, and I'm gonna use that to pull on this with. Now I have the rest of this trunk floor to repair. A lot of it actually came out good whenever I made my pulls, a lot of it at the bottom, but I still have to fix this area. Didn't really pull out much because a couple welds had ripped loose from the back panel, so it wasn't really pulling right here. So I'm gonna grab this and put some pressure on it, start working this area back into shape. So I went ahead and sat this rear body panel on here, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to mark where all of these plug welds are. Then I'll lift the panel back off and I'll clean off all of these spots. And I will also go ahead and I'll prep out all across the bottom. I'm going to use the compression spot welder, so I'll prep out my spots across there for that as well. And then I will put this back on and do a final fitment with all of my parts and get everything fitting correctly. I got this one fitting together very nicely now. The trunk lid shuts and latches nicely. My gaps look nice and even, side to side. And the trunk lid is sealing very nice across the bottom. This one actually went very smooth and it is ready to weld together. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the taillights back out and I will be able to go ahead and start welding on this one. Get it welded together, then I will send it to the paint shop.